Shoba Filtu, welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cast and Sandless. And I'm your nice, good, beautiful, great fan of NKUPI, the entertainer. I just took a drive from home and sometimes guys will blame Bulu. I was driving fast. From mo kaya kabaka boy. Kole shejile so. Baban. Arbonaing. Mara guys, I don't believe in the jobs on the It's just what's supposed to happen. So guys, while we are here, let's give the car a name. Let's give it a name. Let me think. I'm kidding, I already came up with a name. It's called Mermaid. Mermaid. Let's go Mermaid. Why Mermaid? Because it's a mermaid. Look at it. Hello, mermaid. Hello, mermaid. That's the name. Bonang, how lucky I was. Mermaid in fun. Mermaid. Yeah, I was lucky too. So you even get home without a puncture. Yo. If this thing popped, it's going to be dramatic. We're going to witness drama. But nonetheless, Sila, and there are no problems. But I think I heard something. Actually, the car started to drive in a funny way. The car started to have grrrrs inside. So those grrrs I just the car telling me that the tires aren't well. Those grrrs. On the other hand, guys, Paul has been gone. And this guy has been here for the longest. So I don't know. Hey, Malome. How are you? This guy has been here for the longest. And hey, this guy has been gone. And Durban has been so nice. You guys like think it's a lie and complain when these cars have low kilometers. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Imagine 2 weeks. Garage queen did it. Garage queen and it'll always be here. It'll always be here chilling. That's why this car's are going to distance, but with very less kilometers. It never goes anywhere. It stays one day. I'll reach this level of stance soon. Wait to reach this level of stance. What can I get through? One what? 175 and I'm a pack. Guys, imagine now, guys. Imagine in the game, guys. The 175 JL those tires of yours, 165. What? The gas look. The gas look. Nai nyakachanachi. Nyakachanachi ija matatu. Chichiro holoji. Kidi fake, cause I wanna wish kidi fake. I wanna wish kidi fake. Now what does it look like? It's losing air now. It's high up in front. Even now it's losing air. Even now. I'm really about. Sharp, I get the fact that you won't work anymore. But to lose air, I get the fact that you won't work anymore. But now, what does losing air got to do with it? Does this mean this tire is dead? Does it mean this tire is dead now? Anyway, let me check my tires. These ones this side are sharp. These ones this side are sharp. Now these ones this side don't look sharp. Hey guys. No, I will see them tomorrow. Now I'm tired. Let me rest. Hey, I'll see them tomorrow. Let me go rest. Or should I just take it to... I'm tired. I'm gonna rest. I'm tired. I'm gonna rest. I'll see everything tomorrow. I'm not even gonna offload my bags. I'm tired. That is all we have for this episode of Cast and Santles. I mean, I could be beautiful, fun of doing the entertainer. Bye bye.